Hey guys, so I'm going to record you a quick video on how to turn on or off the party chat that comes through the speakers. So by default, it comes through your headset. If you want it coming through your speakers or not to come through your speakers, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So, Xbox button, over to your profile picture, down to settings. Now we're going to go over to volume and audio output, additional options, and right here in the bottom center, have headset, speakers, or headset and speakers. And that's it, guys. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.